This episode about SkyVector. They are the premier provider of worldwide aeronautical charts, online mapping, and related flight planning products and services. Through its enhanced flight planning suite, SkyVector combines its unique aeronautical mapping capability with weather and data overlays, airport information, FBO listings, and more. Me personally, I use a different app for flight planning, but I'll show you where you can do that at the end of the video. Upper left here, we'll go across the top next to that logo. First one's called airports. If you're ever looking for an airport, don't know the identifier, and you're trying to find more information about that airport, great place to look. It's worldwide also. We'll go over here, we're gonna take United States. I'm gonna choose Florida over here on the right, and then you're gonna get all the airport identifiers here by region. So I'm scrolling down looking for MCO, which is Orlando International, Big Bravo here in Florida. So here you got fuel prices over on the right. Any and all information you could possibly want about this airport is gonna pop up here. Here's a diagram I would definitely recommend studying before going into a Bravo. You can click on the VFR chart below that, and then the IFR chart is below that. And then you can scroll in the middle here, and it's got frequencies, it's got runway lengths, altitudes, you name it. So anything you could possibly want from the airport's right here in the middle. The charts icon is the globe. It'll show you different types of charts. If you're ever trying to buy one, this is a good way to see where you'll be flying so you know which one to buy. Sliding over to the right, you can see the layers tab. You can click on that, and the drop down you'll get different things like TFRs. You can click them on and off, see where the TFRs are. DROTAMs, which are new. It's a drone NOTAM, pretty popular nowadays. And SIGMETs, etc. There's more stuff in there. And then the FBO tab, that one's great as well because you can check fuel prices. You can see Jet A across the country or 100 low lead. The buttons beneath the layers that allow you to toggle between world high, world low, en route. For instance, I like to keep it on world VFR. It depends on what you're doing. I like using SkyVector on the device or computer because you can scroll in real tight and get tons of detail to study. If you want to learn how to file a flight plan using SkyVector, it's kind of hidden beneath the logo, watch the video I'll leave in the description below.